What a go on, people, or should I say again, hey, what's up? You know, it's Marlon here. Today's vehicle I'm going to demonstrate is one of my favorite vehicles. It's very popular, the Toyota 2022 4Runner Limited. Let's go ahead and start this vehicle up, guys. Loving the feature on the dashboard. The mileage on it is very low, only 44,348 miles. Loving the Toyota symbol, exquisite. Leather interior, as you can see, guys, it's very spacious. Loving the interior with the wood, it's so soft. This button automatically brings on the back mirror, awesome. Also brings up the mirror. We have here also navigation system, we have audio system, and of course we have wonderful automatic windows, automatic locks, not to mention a lot of modes to control the volume and the display here. I also would like to demonstrate the running boards. That's a nice feature. Looking at this elegant vehicle from the front with our Toyota logo and LED headlights. We also have some beautiful chrome bottom bumpers at the front. And let's go around the vehicle to see how beautiful this vehicle on our lot is. Exquisite limited symbol. Loving this vehicle, guys. This is a quick overview. I hope you like it. If you like to see more content, like my video, share, subscribe. Love to see you again. Have a great day.